Most people think investment is risky, but the real risk is not investing at all. Today, I will explain one simple concept that has helped millions of people to build wealth slowly and safely. So, the concept is SIP. So, what is SIP? And if you do not understand about SIP, you will lose your money, or you never feel confident about investing. So, watch the video till the end to know all about SIP. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, salaried employee, or someone who want to invest but also scared and confused, so this video is made for you. Today we will deeply understand what is SIP, how SIP work, why SIP is best for beginner, some common mistake about SIP, and also who should start SIP. So these 5 questions we learn from this video. Now the question is, why most people don't invest? Let's be honest, most people don't invest because of they're afraid losing money. They think stock market is gambling, and they also wait for perfect time to invest. But believe me, SIP solve all those problems. That is why SIP is so powerful. So now the first question is, what is SIP? So SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It means you invest a fixed amount of money at regular interval, usually monthly, into a mutual fund. For example, instead of investing rupees 1 lakh at once, you invest rupees 3,000 or 5,000 per month. So SIP is small habit but done consistency and also create big wealth over the period of time. Think for SIP like saving for your future. Just like you pay EMI, rent, mobile bill, SIP is also a monthly payment, but this payment is for your future freedom. So now the big question, where does your SIP money go? So your SIP money go into a mutual fund. Mutual fund invest your money into share of company, bonds, and also government securities. Professional fund manager handle your money. You do not need to study stock market regularly. Now the biggest question is how SIP actually works. Every time you invest through SIP, you buy some unit of a mutual fund. When the market is high, you get fewer unit, and when the market is low, you get large quantity of unit. And over the period of time, your cost became lower. This is the one of the biggest advantage of SIP. Now let's talk about compounding. So compounding means your money earn return and those return also earn return. So here time is more important than amount. 3,000 start early is more powerful than 15,000 start in late. Let's talk about a realistic example. If you invest rupees 5,000 per month for 25 years at an average return of 12%. So over the time, your investment amount became rupees 15 lakh and your total amount became almost CR, 95 lakh to 1 CR. So this is why ordinary people became wealthy over the time. Now let me tell about why many people fail in SIP. They want to quick profit. They stop their SIP, withdrawn money early. They change their fund frequently. So SIP need about time. If you stay in invest for long time, you become wealthy through SIP. Otherwise, SIP is not for you. What to do during market fall? So market fall is normal and it is also good for long term SIP investor because you buy more unit at lowest price. So don't stop your SIP due to fear. Now just take a difference among fixed deposit, lump sum and SIP. So fixed deposit, if you invest in fixed deposit, it you get lower return, but it's a safest means of investing. And if you invest in lump sum, you need to invest your amount in a correct time. And SIP is combination of both your fixed deposit and also a lump sum amount. So SIP is a combination. So the question is, who should start SIP? So SIP can start everyone, a student, salaried person, or a person who want to create wealth over the period of time. So you need to one things, you need to stay consistent, you need to stay disciplined, and looking for you need to invest in long term rather than short period of time, because wealth is created over the long term, not short period of time. So the final lesson is SIP is not about getting rich fast. It takes time and consistency. If you stay consistent over the long period of time, you will build wealth over the period of time. If this video helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to a person who have not any knowledge about what is SIP, and make it simple.